Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing, it's not really unboxing, but opening my advent calendar that I got from Smileys glitter store. Now I wanted one of these last year, but I didn't get there in time, so yeah, so I got this one this year. It's odd, they're not numbered. They're not numbered. It's very odd. So I've got 6 red ones and then 6 of the green ones. That's very odd. I'm a little confused. I'm a little confused. Let me go check something, 1 second. They're not numbered. So yeah, there's 12 excuse me, there's 12 envelopes, and I believe these are the Christmas glitters. That confused me. Love these tins. I'll just do the tins first. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing the 6 in here, 6 in the other. Oh. Well, that gives me more reason then to open them all rather than one by one. So I'm not mad. So we got this Last Christmas. So there's some matte white circles. And then there's green and red. And there's some snowflakes in there and some red stars. That's really pretty. I like that. Then I wish it could be Christmas every day. So this is a finer glitter. There's gold, red and green in there. Lovely. I love these tins. Don't know what I'd use them for, but sure I'll find something. So this is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Also there's some rhombus, some hexagons, there's some red strands as well. It's a beautiful red. Love that. Deck the holes. Oh, this is nice. This is a holographic fine gold, and then it's got some different sized hexagons. Pretty. Baby, it's cold outside. This is gorgeous. It's like a baby, not even a baby blue, but let's call it just a light blue. And it's got some of them strands, there's some circles, There's even mylar in that. That's very beautiful. Love that. All I want for Christmas. So this is a green. Yeah, green. There's some green hexagons in there as well. And a gold. And then I'm seeing red. Pretty. Should I put these over here? Now in this tin, we have Santa is coming to town. Oh look, there's some Christmas trees. There's some hollow Christmas trees. And gold, red and white. Red stars. That's pretty. Love. And then this Christmas, oh this is cute. So it's like a, I was going to say matte, but it's not, it's more like a metallic white, is it? I love that. And then it's got some hollow stars. And there's a load of snowmen in there. That's really cute. That's really cute. I like that. The first Noel. So this looks like a champagne-y kind of gold, like a muted gold. So that is like a full-blown gold. So yeah, so that's more of a champagne-y gold, and then it's got some red glitter in there as well. This is a fine. Pretty. Silent Night. So this is a white, and then it's got some like really small silver hexagons. There's some stars, some circles, and I even think there's mylar in that as well. That's really pretty. And then Merry Christmas everyone. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look how hollow that is. So this is blue. Oh, and there's some white snowflakes in there, and they are different sized hexagons. Beautiful. And then lastly, Let It Snow. So this one has them super tiny silver hexagons, and then this is like a fine white, which is almost rainbowy. As I can see, blue, green, and red, iridescent glitter. I love that. Now, on to these. I really thought they were going to be numbered. Well, it doesn't say what they are. This is a Smileys glitter store, and that's them pink iridescent love hearts. Pretty. This is very exciting. Oh, these are cute. Oh, it says on this one what it is. Fimo snowflake slices. Oh look, there's like 2 different coloured blues. And then a white one. Oh, I don't have any of these. How cute. This one. I don't want to rip stickers, so I can stick them on labels so I know that it's the Christmas ones. All sorted acrylic rhinestone shapes. Oh, they're silver. Okay, you can see in the lid. So there's some teardrops, love hearts, stars, even triangles. Oh, and a circle. Cute. Now these ones are flat. So they were the only ones in the little pots. Okay, so we've got some stripe and tape. Oh, so there's, I don't know if you're going to see that. There was a silver, a bronze, a gold, and a red, and they are all holographic. Beautiful. Put them back in there. Oh, these are adorable. Look. Are these stickers? Yeah, nail design stickers. Lollipops. Cute. I don't have any of those. Oh, well, these are cute. If I can get into it to show you. So this is, look at it, little reindeer. So sparkly. And then we have a skater, like an ice skating boot. Come on, focus on it. Struggling to focus. That is adorable. Let me pop these back in here because I know I'm going to lose them otherwise. How adorable. Okay, then last green one. Ooh. So it's like webbing or netting, whatever you want to call it. It's a red, and then it's got like silver leaf kind of thing stuck to it. Don't have any that colour. Love that. Right, now onto the red ones. Oh look, the Chanel, are they stickers? I think they are. Chanel stickers. They're Christmas themed. They are adorable. I love those. I really, really love those. And this next one. Oh, we have some angel hair. I've actually got some of this I got from Model 1, and I ended up putting it in my daughter's hair. But this will look lovely on a nail. See how holographic it is? Love that. We have some more stickers. Oh, these are lovely. Black. Just stick them onto your fingers and toes. Let's put some lines, got some curly ones. They are really cool. I love those. Oh, this is the leaf. Scared to open this. Okay, open it there. Ooh. The lilac-y colour. Beautiful. And second from last, we have... Oh, I've actually seen these on Smileys website. So they are Christmas tree stickers. Oh, I love them. How cute are they? Look how holographic they are as well. Beautiful. And then the last one seems a bit thick. We have, oh, I saw on her website she was doing coasters. Look at that. So it's like a an iridescent rainbow glitter. How pretty. I love that. It's so cute. So that is it for today's video. I'm so sad that I couldn't do it day by day, but if they're not numbered, then I can't wait. I have to open them now. But I love everything. Them glitters are absolutely stunning. So beautiful. I love everything I got. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.